Good morning guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys and I'm so sorry since I've actually done, well it's probably about 10 days since I published anything. I usually like try to do something at least once a week. It's been end of school for my daughter and we'll be homeschooling from next year, so lots to do the last few weeks. It's been crazy. But I just thought today I would do a little share. I wanted to just update you on a current project that I'm really excited about. And I did a little photo, like a post on Instagram beginning of the week. And also I thought I would actually just do the unboxing of this, my latest ephemera box, Vintage Ephemera Box from Rosie R'Atelier. I haven't done that for a while. This is June's box. It's been crazy, the dates on these. So anyway, thought I'd do that. Without further ado, just to say then, I'm currently working on these 5 beauties, and I shall introduce them to you and talk through what my thinking process is. So this is called Moments, and these will be filled with lots of different papers. They're going to be junk journal style, so an eclectic mix of all sorts of papers I want in here, very similar to my scripture journals that I've made for myself in the past. So these covers are all from a book that I found probably about 2 years ago. About 2 years ago I found this book, and I absolutely love the pictures. I love the illustrations, and I've been saving them because in my mind I really wanted to pop together something like this. I think that so that's Moments here. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I've got one of these will be mine, I think, because I need to replace my scripture journal. Seen and Noted, it's probably going to be this one. If you can see that. So I've just layered sort of vintage music paper. That's my 1932 music paper. It's fabric, and just some beautiful. I have been setting aside and hoarding some lovely papers. I've hoarded for ages, and I just thought, I have to have a word of myself. And this here, yeah, is mine, because there's a book that my friend made for me in a Happy Mail, and I just thought I would pop it into my journal. I think that's going to be lovely. So that's Seen and Noted, that's probably going to be mine. And I've also got Story, which is the same cover as that one, because I've got a couple of these books. If you can see, they're all going to be, you've got fabric, or the same fabric on the spine, on the inside and out. And again, that's layered. And I do have 2 or 3 books, 3 copies of the Kath Kidston book, and this other one on vintage. It's all about vintage wallpapers and fabrics and how to use them in your home. And I have picked up 2 or 3 copies, so I can keep one just to look at and the others to share. So let's see if I can zoom in a bit. There you go. So these are I'm just at the moment collecting the pages. I've yet to pop together. I've got some vintage sewing patterns to pop in. There's going to be a little bit of botanical theme, as you can see, but then I've got loads of other bits to pop in yet. So that is they, and I really wanted them to be like my. I hope you can see. I actually did a little, a bit like my but probably not. This is my scripture journal, my latest one. Probably not with the fabrics. I'll probably keep the fabrics. So I wanted lots of colour. I want lots of colour, and I want lots of different, lots of colour, lots of different pages. That's what I'm going for these. So keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for these. They won't be long. I want to get them done in the next sort of week or so. And listed, or check my Instagram, because once they're done in them, I might not want to take the time to list them. If you'd like one, just let me know. So I just thought I'd also share. So this is my June Ephemera box. It came probably about 10 days ago. The postage has been really, really slow, as you can imagine, and I haven't had a chance to open it yet. This shows the stamps I really like. Can you see? I think these really appealed. The stamp set, and oh, I need to show you as well. I do need to share. Do a little share of. Well, before I do that, let's do a little share of some of the washes that have arrived. I ordered these back in April. So some of the washes from Rosie that have arrived in the last few weeks. I think some of them I might have shared on Instagram. But look at this. Isn't it beautiful? And I've used them. So you can see this has been used. But these, I don't know if it's all about ferns. I'm not sure where I get that from. So that's one of the wide washes that I've had from Rosie. And this is Elements of a Modern Life, I think it's called, but I don't know if you can see just how beautiful this is. And I'll probably pop some of these little goodies. Probably pop some of these. They will end up in those journals that I'm working on at the moment. So this Elements of a Modern Life, something like that is called. But Rosie's on Instagram, and she's also on YouTube as well. She does feature things as they come in. But this, I couldn't wait for this to arrive. Isn't it gorgeous? And these really do elevate a page. So I will be using these in. I will be using this in my in these journals. In these 5 journals. This was an older one. I think this was part of one of the first ones that I ordered back in April. I ordered in 2 batches. And you've probably seen these. I've used these in the I think in the Always Rejoice collection that I've done so far. I've used those in those. Is that one? This is one that I featured. Yes, I featured this one on Instagram, but not on YouTube. And this one here I featured on Instagram. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've popped this in some personal journals, some journals for friends. I might pop a couple of pieces actually in these as well. I think they're lovely. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, so there's that one. And then I've just got a couple that I won't open out all in all, but you can see the gist. They're like postage stamps. Can you see that? Have I got it the right way around? No. Have I? No, I haven't. Yeah, like little postage stamps. I've got 2 or 3 of those. I got this one as well. They're a bit harder to have a look at, to be fair. I'll be using some of these as well. These have been in my Always Rejoice series too. So these are some of the washes that I've had recently from her. And let's have a quick look at what's in the box, shall we? Let's have a look at what's in the box. So she. Let's just get it all out and be done with it. Right, here we go. So first of all, we have, how gorgeous are these? And these are all little, so these are things that she actually has in her shop, and you get a little taster of them. I never know. Oh, that's going to have to go in. We have to use those, aren't we? So these are like, that's a vellum, and this is a little bit, it's not a sticker, it's just more of a paper. But I love that. Love, 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 love. We have in here, let's have a look. I just love the way it's all packaged. Oh, sorry guys. So in here I have my stamps. And then, as you know, you always get, I should probably pop this in my book as well, to be honest. I love it, my journal. This handmade wooden, it's paper. So these are they. And let's have a look at the wooden stamp, which would be this one. That's a pretty one, isn't it? So the wooden stamp is that one there. Yep, that's the wooden stamp. A couple of washes. If I pop that here, that's quite random, isn't it? That's quite a random washi, to be fair. Oh, I don't know. Here we go, guys. That's not gonna play the game, is it? Okay. Let's see how this. That way. It's kind of a. What would you call it? Modern kind of. I think it's upside down. That's useful enough. That's useful enough. Like that one. And this one. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, let's see. Will it let me? No. It's very similar again, but you get the gist. You've got a little typewriter, butterfly. What's that? That little man at a typewriter. So these, you've got to start them off right, haven't you? That's the butterfly. Oh. Oh. Oh, these are like stickers. Individual stickers. Not going to have time to. Okay. Stickers. And then we have. Let's have a look in here. Let's have a look. So it was my June one, so I must have probably ordered this in May. Oh, I love this. I love this kind of postal theme. Yeah, it was for my June. Little post-its. Love it. Love, 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 love. And this is very interesting. Can you see? Kind of handmade paper with a lot of texture in it. Wow. So just little bits. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's that. Oh, what fun. What fun these are. What fun. So is that. And then we get some, these like washi stickers as well. Oopsie daisies. I love these. I love these little stickers to pop on your pages. Dress them. I'm starting to think about my autumn day book. And these may find their way. Oh, how lovely. How lovely. That's really nice. I might give that to my daughter for hers. We just did a virtual solar system tour on Friday. Love these. Love, 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 love. Can you see that? So guys, just give you a little taster. Little taster of the things you get in your ephemera box. I'm hoping, I'm not sure, that perhaps postage won't be so long. It's been about 6 to 8 weeks, and it's normally about 10 days on these. So there you have it. So a little bit of a share, the Vintage Ephemera Box. Look out for beautiful story moments, documented, and see what I do with seen and noted as well. Okay, so nice to see you guys. Thanks for your for stopping by. If you're one of my regulars and my newbies, thank you for choosing to be part of the Just Journey journaling journey. And if you haven't liked and joined before and you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It'd be great to have you along. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Bye. Bye.